This course is based on an existing course with a good reputation, the Pollution and Environment and Control Masters that's on campus. And we're really excited to bring this to you because it's well established. It's been running for 40 years. It's been a springboard for many environmental scientists to either gain entry into a career or uplift their career if they're studying already. But I'm excited to bring this course to you because we bring it online, which is very flexible for you to study, and we want to bring it to a wider audience and share this knowledge with a wider group of students. Everyone's interested in the environment. We cover key topics like climate change, water scarcity, the loss of biodiversity. We look at the impacts of pollution in our terrestrial environment, but also in our aquatic environments, rivers and lakes. We're interested in thinking about the impacts of pollution and these other key issues on our environment. We start by looking at pollution mobility, the control of the pollution, the transformation of pollution, and then we start thinking about the human impacts. So impacts on the biodiversity, terrestrial and aquatic. We talk about the impacts of farming, urbanization, and then we think about cities, how urban pollution occurs and then how we would model that. And my focus is looking at the environmental modeling. So then we start looking at how we can talk about the impacts of pollution on the environment. So I teach modeling, advanced modeling in both aquatic and sort of lakes and rivers, as well as in groundwater. So the course is about understanding pollution, how we can control it, and the impacts on the environment. The teaching is made up of a variety of teaching methods. We have online recorded lectures, pre-recorded, or you can join afterwards the live podcast of the lectures. And these tend to set up the course material for the practical classes. In my case, I run a lot of computer modeling practicals. So the lecture reinforces the theory behind undertaking the practical skills. You'll also have access to transcripts from the lectures and practicals. You'll have ability to watch the videos with subtitles. You'll be able to download the lecture slides and practical slides. And there's also some interesting in-course quizzes to test your knowledge as we work through the course material. There's also online tests, and we can upload our coursework onto our virtual learning platforms, as well as undertake exams remotely online. You'll learn skills in understanding pollution, how to control pollution, the impacts of pollution, environmental modeling, atmospheric modeling, geographical information systems, but also transferable skills that should be useful in the workplace. You'll develop your confidence in scientific writing and undertake an independent research project. All these skills are useful for enhancing your career development.